Hello everyone, I'm Usman, and the motivation behind my thesis is to reduce the impacts of construction waste and the resource consumption on the environment that is contributing a lot to the global warming, climate change, and eventually human health. So the solution to it is a circular economy, make a circular loop of the products and material we are using to reduce the virgin extraction of the material, reuse and recycle them. This implies that we need to have authentic data for making circular decisions based on updated data that would allow us to assess the material condition regularly through its life. Thanks to digital product passport and material passports, we are able to do that throughout their life cycle. But the literature suggests that they are not updated across their life cycle. I'm going to give you an example of that. Thus, they do not present the current condition throughout their life, and they're not ideal for decision making. Let me give you an example. So there is a replacement of broken glass, within the life cycle of phase of a product, and it changes the circularity and environmental impacts. And now we need to update this circular and sustainable condition within the product passports. What we need is an assessment model that would regularly update this condition in the product passport and also let us know the data requirements and the properties that we need to update within the passports. So this defines the goals and exploration of my thesis. That first I have presented and introduced a material state vector and also a digital prototype that will manage all this system. So the first thing we do is we make a digital representation, a digital twin of a physical asset. And now we need to represent with every event a state of a material that is ever changing with the life cycle. So we have introduced a trigger recognition model that helps us to identify the severity of the change and what triggers that have been changing, and also a material state vector that is a cumulative of other indicators. So finally, what we get is a changing graph of a material state throughout its life cycle, which would eventually has help the decision makers that how circular and environmental changes have been done through its life. Thank you.